Hey, Dan Passarelli here. I hope you had a great Christmas and a great holiday season overall for everyone. What I want to talk about today is Santa Claus. Well, not the real Santa Claus, if there is one. What I want to talk about is what we call the Santa Claus Rally. And the Santa Claus Rally is defined by the Trader's Almanac as the 5 days between Christmas and New Year's and the first 2 days after New Year's. Now, statistically, there's a really good chance that the market rallies during that period. Historically, it has over, I want to say it's 2/3 of the time. I hadn't checked the last couple of years, but that's what it has been historically. So, is it guaranteed to rally? No, but historically, the odds are in your favor. And we as traders, we're always looking for an edge. So, in addition to all the other things that you look for in your trades that provide you edge, whether that be indicators or chart patterns or volatility analysis or strategy selection or what have you, one should also tend to lean towards the upside, towards positive deltas during this period. Now, again, like I said, statistically, you have a better chance than not of being right, leaning long. Not guaranteed, but I know for me, that's one of the things that I'm looking towards to put the edge in my favor on at least some of my trades. Hope that helps. This is Dan Passarelli. Trade smart.